What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update. May 16th, Monday. So, range bound. This is the range. 3970, 4070. We need a break and sustain out of this range to have a feeling of either bullish or bearish. We are consolidating in between that, in that volume void. So I talked about that a couple days ago. Once we lost 4070, we'd have that volume void and price should fall right through it. And it did. We hit 3900, sustained there other than the wick down to 38.55. And then now we're looking at some are saying that the bottom is in and now we're going to return back up. I remain unconvinced. I am agnostic on direction right now. Anything can happen until we break the 3970 to 4070 range. Here's your hourly, 3988, your pivot. Good volume here at the 20 levels, 15, 16 level. 4061 is your first pivot. Then you have your 4070 is what I talked about earlier. Then 4100. On the daily, here's your node for the 4070. Top of the envelope is 4170. So that's my tippy top right now. If we get above that, then we can reach back into the 4229 level and then get back up into that magical 4354 level. So if we can get back above 4229, I could see, some bullish outcome. I don't see any reason we'd get up there at this juncture. I could be wrong, but again, I'm neutral until I see the 3970 or 4070 break. So that 100 point range is kind of where I'm watching. What else? Euro, DXY, we had a 105 that broke. We're still hanging out below that. So that's kind of that range, right? So this, I've got a 105 and a 103 half. So as this diddles here until it breaks higher here or lower here, I'm kind of agnostic on this. Maybe the move has been had. That's a big move for currencies, but the currencies have been swinging recently. So I really keep an eye on this for judgment on SPX and ES. What else? News. India banned wheat imports or exports, excuse me. So here's your last wheat kind of dealio. This is your hourly. And then this is your open from Sunday night. So you had, you've consolidated in this range, but at one point it was limit up. So these are historic wheat highs. We don't, we had up to 39.65, I think it was contract high. So we're still below that, but the fact that wheat is, not $6 and $7 is crazy, or $5, $6, $7, So this is pretty substantial in the grain trade. Which interesting, and difference between this and 08. 08 was, could be argued that was the currency, right? So the dollar index was down in the 70s. Almost at the brink of disaster. That was when you really had your currency inflation. But this is from shortages, and the inflation we're seeing now is not currency based. It's from shortages. Your dollar index is making 20-year highs. So anyway, don't tell Twitter that or everybody else who's got their mindset on others. So that's about it. So an open above 36 or 42, we should see 4070. If we get above that, 4100. And then downside, if we lose that 3970 level, then, all bets are off. 3960, then we get to the 39, we have singles to clean up right here. So 39.33 to 39.25, so that's a level to watch. 3900 should hold. If we were to make it down there, that would be 80 points. Again, I think that we consolidate between these 2 points today. I think it's 40.70 to 39.70. We just consolidate in that former volume void and we just kind of, it finds direction. People pick a side, and then we go from there. So either we go up or we go down. And again, I don't know. And anyone who says they do, good luck. Anyway, so that's about all I've got. Stay safe. We've got 5 0 DTE days today. That's the first in history, so congratulations. We experienced that. Make sure you watch the PDT hack video, and make sure you understand it very well before you start hacking if you have PDT issues. Anyway, have a great day.